Okay, I'm back again. It's 1:10 in the morning. If I don't do it now, I never will. It's been sat behind me. You saw the vlog when I got the box, and I just took it out of the box, but I haven't opened it. And I've been thinking about it. I could get it resealed, but I'd like to see what it's like inside. I'm not going to keep it up here because I smoke too much. It might start stinking nicotine, and so therefore it's going to have to find a special. I'm going to have to find a special place for it. But hey ho, yeah. Um, have I been putting it off? I suppose I have. I buy it. I don't even bother looking at it. I just buy it and think, yeah, I've got it. Yeah, I've got it. Well, okay. Um, I do this with lots of things. I did it once with a hex war game. I've still got it. It's in the room there. I paid a lot of money for it. A lot of money. Um, got it imported from the United States. It's unpunched. It's boxed. It's about 30 years old. Hasn't been touched. Hasn't been played. Apparently it's not all that good. I thought it might be good. And I asked people, I said, I've bought this. And they said, oh, play it, you know. Well, we'll see. Fact is I do this. I buy stuff, lots of stuff. Don't use it. Don't look at it. Don't play it. Don't read it. I suppose that's the, one could say that's a parallel for, not a parallel, a metaphor. Parallel, similar? I don't know. It's late. Normally I'd be watching something about quantum physics now. It's a bit like when you're terribly wealthy, you don't do fuck all with it, do you? You acquire all this stuff. You acquire all these homes around the world. You acquire, you purchase cars, collection of cars, collection of yachts, super yachts, a motorboat, even just a motorboat in the harbour. And do you use it? No. Once in a bloody blue moon, I got a fucking tent down there. It cost me a load of money. Am I going to use it? I don't know if I ever will. Sad, isn't it? Sad. We should be given all this stuff in the first place and then told, there it is, you got it now. It's yours. A bit like a library. It's yours. You can use it if you want. And then you test yourself out. Are you going to use it? You know? Are you going to use it? Are you going to read it? Are you going to do something with it? Quite a few of my toys I do stuff with. Like my camera, a computer, TV, AV, blah, blah, blah. Music stuff, yeah, that's sat there. Sort of it is collecting dust. I have used it. But if you think about it, I probably paid for it because if I was to have gone into a studio and created what I did, it would have cost me an awful lot more. So anyway, hey ho, it's late. I've had too much to drink. Of course, the piano's been drinking. Tom Waits, not me. So here it is. Here's the opening. So there's the box. There's the box it came in. And here it is. And it weighs a ton. I cannot convey to you how much this book weighs. It weighs a ton. I should wash my hands. I really should wash my hands or wear gloves. That's not a bad idea, actually, Paul. I've got some socks. Because sometimes you get, like you get these. You used to be able to buy glossy magazines. It's a long time since I picked up a car magazine. They're not glossy these days. They're made of fucking recycled paper that you would wipe your ass with. Once upon a time, they'd be high gloss. You could open them up and go, and you get bloody high. You know, that's true. I'm not kidding you. That's true. They removed that 'cause that those were toxic chemicals, and then you put your thumbs on it and you get a fingerprint. So I have to be careful with this one. So here it is. Oh God. Here's my book. Yeah, focus is gone. Come on, focus, come back. Focus is gone. Maybe I've gone. There we go. We got the focus back. And you got 24-hour 24H Le Mans. And it's cellophane wrapped. And it does weigh. I could possibly put this on the scale so you'd see how much it weighs. There's already it's already been unsealed up there. So here we go. I've got scissors. What I need to do is use my glasses. I'll show you. It's here. There's already a hole. Oh, Paul, I'm a bit. I really antagonize people because I just drag things out, and it's like, well, it's not like it is. When I'm sat in company and there's chocolate bars going around, people, I shouldn't put these down because I might do something stupid. People get a chocolate bar, and I'm there. And like half an hour later, they're looking at me and saying, "What's your problem? What's your problem?" As I just finally sip in the last bit of this chocolate. So yeah, I like to make things last. No, there is no hole there. There is no hole. So I think we'll attack it on the top here. So yeah, that's me. Pain in the arse to the last. And if you look, see that? It's got a thread marker, and it's been placed right in the middle of the book. That's attention to detail, isn't it? So here we go. I've been putting it off, but here we go. As somebody said to me the other day, why do you mention the price? So in this instance, I won't. I've already told you how much this cost me. It cost me a lot of money. Yeah, if I didn't smoke, there is a scent there. Okay, I'll do it from the front for you. Okay, here we go. Now you can see the embossed. I'm enjoying this. I am enjoying this. Look at this smile. I had to get pissed out of my head before I could do this. Oh. No, you can't see it, can you? You can't see it. There we go. Look at that. This is what it looked like before, right? Yeah. Drag it out, Paul. Drag it out. Oh, it slipped then. It was like this. It's ripped. Here we go. Beautiful book. So I have bought expensive books in the past, and I've opened them, and it's like, oh, okay, all right. You won't. I had to hunt to see what's actually inside here, because you don't. When I bought this one, there was no previews. There was no pictures of what's on the inside. But I think I know what's on the inside. This is all gold. It's funny. Can you hear that? This is a quality book. That alone's 10 quid at least. So here it is. Here's the book. There you go. You can see it now, can't you? You can see that, can't you? You can see that. It smells nice. It smells nice. And you won't see this vlog anywhere. Pages are thick. Oh, that's quality. That is quality. That is so thick. It's like portfolio. And I'm not going through every page because I'll get done for copyright. But you can see what's going on here. I wonder if I could move the camera lower. Just bear with me as I drop the book in my ashtray and pour cider all over it. There you go. And it's upside down. Yeah. This is class. Yeah, I know. It's all about presentation, isn't it? You know? Look at that. That is so thick. Yeah. Rolf, you are a bad man. But this resembles a wobble board. Gold. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. And it reads down here, I'll read you this. 1923, because it's the 100 year anniversary, you see, 1923 to 2023. That doesn't mean there's been 100 races. There haven't. It's the 100th anniversary. And this is a picture from 1923. In 1923 and 1924, even-numbered cars lined up on the left of the grid, odd-numbered ones on the right, before starting by row. Francois, and I'm useless, unless it's German, I can't pronounce it, Piazzoli, Sauer number 31, the first competitor in the history of the event to retire, looks for his spot near the rear of the pack. All right. Yeah. Let me show you. This is the only time I'll be doing this. This is the only time I'll show you this. Okay. There we go. There. And the colours are all crazy because the camera and whatnot. It doesn't look, hasn't got a blue hue. Okay. Look at that. You wouldn't have seen that photograph published anywhere else. That's what this book is all about. Amazing, eh? What an opening page. Le Mans, 1923-4. God, it's heavy. I think it is one of those books that if you were to, it would thumbprint, I think. No, this is just, no. Yeah. Okay. Get the idea. Right. Now, I'm going to close my eyes because I don't want to be spoiled. I'm going to close my eyes and just open it to various pages because I want to go through this page by page because this is precious, my precious, and I'm not going to look, so I don't know what I'm seeing. I've got my eyes closed. You can have a look. if I do this, and don't share it with anyone. Look, you can hear the book creak. Don't share it with anyone, okay? Because I'll get done for copyright. I got my eyes closed, so you can't see it. I can't see it, rather. So this is the book, and we'll take a chunk. And it's the whole 100 years. And as I say, yeah, and now I'm having to hold it tight down here. So enjoy, because I'm not looking at this. And I'm not even going to look at it on the video. But we should be moving from the old black and white perhaps into colour photographs. Going through the Porsches and the Fords and the Ferraris and everything else. Yeah, beautiful book, Paul, beautiful book. I can tell. I can feel the vibrations off the pages. My God, it's heavy. Yeah, the same. And one more flip, and that's it. There we go. And yeah, yeah. That's not paper, is it? That's not paper in a book. This is something special. So, if it is a total disappointment, don't tell me, because as I say, I'm not looking. All right, I'm not looking. I am not looking. I refuse to look. I'm going to peruse this in my own time and my own pleasure. Go and get yourselves a copy. Here you go. Right. Okay. I've opened my eyes now. That is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. And just those first few pages that I saw, it's gorgeous. It's lovely. I'm glad. I am glad. I'm not going to regret. I'm not going to regret. No. That's class. You should see it. I don't know if you can, if it'll focus that close. It should. It's weaved. You'll have to come and see it in person. So I've got to find somewhere special for this one. I'll put it over there and find somewhere nice for it tomorrow. It's got an indentation there. That's not my fault. That's a shame. That's 15 quid knocked off it. Lovely book. I've opened it. Can't wait to look at it myself. Yeah. Well pleased. Well chuffed. All right. There you go. Thanks.